take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so stay.
Hello everyone, today I want to share with you some food ideas. So let's begin this with some mini pizza. All we need is tortillas and cut them in the shape of the circle and add on the cookie pan. And after that I want to add some sauce because I want to give that pizza taste. And after that add some cheese if you like. I'm adding mozzarella, and to finish this I'm adding some black olive, and bake them for 10 or 15 minutes.
You release, you give yourself away to the rhythms of the world.
Moving on to one of my favorite recipes of pancakes. I really recommend you guys to try this out because it's really simple and you don't need a lot of ingredients. So as you probably can see, I'm adding all the ingredients that I've shown you before and just mix the composition. And now is the time for pancakes. I'm adding some coconut oil. You know that the pancake is done when you are gonna see some bubbles. And now flip the pancake and wait for about 1 or 2 minutes. And your pancake is done. For decorating the pancakes, I'm using some strawberries and some blueberries. And I'm boiling some water, and after that I'm adding my fruits. As well as a teaspoon of sugar, and let them boil for about 5 minutes. And after that, keep some water for these fruits and add the fruits on the top of your pancakes. And I like to use the fork when I'm actually using blueberries because I love how this turned out. And I'm adding, as I've said, the water from these fruits. And some icing sugar. And guys, look how this perfect looks.
Deep in my bones, I can feel you. Take me back to a time only we knew how to wait. We could waste a night with an old film, smoke a little weed on the couch in the back room, how to wait. Say you never let me go.
Clearly I don't see myself upon that list, but she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking.
As you can see, I want to do a flour with the oats, and I like to combine the first oats to create this flour, and after that to add the rest of ingredients because it's easier this way, and the mixer will make fast his job. And after that, add the composition in the cookie pan. And I'm gonna do a mess. Yeah, seriously, I'm gonna do a mess, but it doesn't matter because they are gonna taste incredible, and believe in me, you need to try these recipes. And I'm adding some blueberries, and after I'm adding these blueberries, I like to add another coat of my muffins composition. But if you like, you can add other fruits, for example strawberries, raspberry, and I'm adding some coconut flakes, and bake the muffins, and this is how they should look.
It as if you want to learn. Suddenly it's all real. Suddenly it's how you feel. You're free now. Somehow.
Last but not least, I'm gonna show you the easiest recipes. So you will need to cut a tomato, and to add a parchment paper to make sure that the tomato will not stick, and add some olive oil, not as much as I added, and some mozzarella, and as well dried basil, and bake them for 10 minutes. And that's all you need to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to comment down below, and I'm gonna see you guys next week. Bye, have a nice day.